Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add users and delete users in a Linux system. So this is going to be a really pretty straightforward process, okay? So let's get to it. Okay, so first what I want to show you is this directory. Use cat to see the content, and as you can see here we have quite a few user accounts right here, and so I'm going to be showing you how to add a user. So user add, and let's just say the name of our user, their first name is John and their last name is Doe. So for that I'll need to type Doe. Okay, there is one important thing I need to mention. I'm using the root account right now. If I wasn't using it, I would need to type sudo. Okay, just remember that. Okay, so if I go back to this directory, you would see that Doe has been added. However, there is a problem. This username does not have a first name and last name, so we need to add that. For that, type user mod -c John Doe, and then type their username. And if I go back to that directory, you would see that their first name and last name has been added. Okay, so let's just, you may be asking how you could not have to go through all that trouble to add their name. Well, there is another way. So for that you would need to type user add -c, then let's just say this username is Jane Doe. So Jane Doe, and we want to specify their home directory Doe, and then we need to write their username, which is Doe. Oh, my bad. Let's use capital J Doe. Okay, so if we go back to that directory, you would see that Doe has been added with the username, with the first name and last name. Okay, and this is their home directory. Okay, so now let's do something else. Let's delete some of these user accounts. Okay, so for that, if you just want to delete the username, just type, let's just say we want to delete a small Doe. Okay, let's just say we want to delete that user account, but not their home directory. This is what we would need to type: user del Doe. That is it. That username is gone. And now let's just say we want to delete the username and the home directory. For that, we need to type this: user del -r Doe. And as you can see, if I go back to that directory, you will see that that user has also been removed. Okay, so you could also, in a future video, I'm going to show you how to rename a current user, how to change their first name and last name, and then how to change their home directory and move the content from their current home directory to their new home directory. I'm going to show that to you in a future video. And I hope you learned something useful in this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.